This is Lesson 31, Session 2. Develop our understanding of the coordinate plane. Name the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate for each ordered pair shown below. The x-coordinate always comes first, and the y-coordinate is the second one. So the x-coordinate in this ordered pair is 2, and the y-coordinate is 7. In this ordered pair, the 0 is the x-coordinate, and the 9 is the y. Number 1. Points A, B, and C are graphed or plotted in the coordinate plane below. Use the graph to write the ordered pair for each point. With coordinate planes, it's really important that you always remember that you do the x first and then the y. In other words, you go over and then up. And I remember that by thinking about Mario, who runs and then jumps. So he goes over and then up. Mario goes over, then up. So for point A, we go over 0, and we went up 2. So the ordered pair is 0, 2. Point B, we go over 2 and up 4. So the ordered pair is 2, 4. And then for point C, we went over 4, up 1. So the ordered pair for point C is 4, 1. Number 2. Plot the following points in the coordinate plane in problem 1. Label each point with its letter name. So point D is at 1, 0, and point E is at 3, 2. Please pause and put your points on the coordinate plane and then press play to check. So point D is over 1, up 0. So this right here would be point D. And point E is over 3, up 2. So point E is located right here. Now notice that we always put the points where the lines cross, not in the middle. Number 3. X and Y coordinates can be organized in a table like the one below. Letter A. Use the coordinate plane on the previous page to complete the table with the coordinates for points A, B, and C. Letter B. Use the coordinates given for point F in the table to graph point F in the coordinate plane on the previous page. Letter C. Explain how you can tell from the table which 2 points are located on the same vertical grid line in the coordinate plane. Please pause and do letters A, B, and C, and then press play to check. Okay, so here we have point A, and the x-coordinate for A is 0, and y is 2. On point B, the x-coordinate is 2, and y was 4. And for point C, the x-coordinate is 4, and the y-coordinate is 1. Okay. For letter B, use the coordinates given for point F in the table to graph point F on the previous page. So the coordinates here for F are 4, 3. So we're going to go here to over 4, up 3, and here is where we would put point F. Letter C, explain how you can tell from the table which 2 points are located on the same vertical grid line in the coordinate plane. Points C and F are on the same vertical grid line because they have the same x-coordinate. So they are the same number of horizontal units away from their origin. So if you look at C, is at 4, and F is at 4. And if we look at C and F, we can see that they are both on the same vertical line. Okay. Number 4. How do the coordinate plane and the table represent points? How are the x and y coordinates of a point shown in each model? Press pause on your video and write down your answers. There are 2 questions here, so you should have 2 sentences, and then press play to check. All right. In the coordinate plane, a point is shown at a location determined by a horizontal distance from the origin, that's the x coordinate, and the vertical distance from the origin, that's the y coordinate. You see the coordinates as scale labels on the axes. In the table, points are shown with their x coordinates in the first row, and their y coordinates are in the second row. Number 5. Plot point A at 1, 4 and point B at 3, 0 in the coordinate plane. So press pause and plot those points on your plane in your book, and then press play again. So point A is at 1, 4. So the first one is the x, the second one is the y. We go over 1, up 4. So right there is point A. And point B is at 3, 0, so that's over 3 and up 0. So point B is located down here. Okay, your assignment are the green pages, pages 653 and 654 in your workbook. Have a wonderful day.